Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about lice removal. First, let me remind you to check us out on Instagram. That's instagram.com/greatestmedical. Also, please click like and subscribe. Subscribers will want to click the notification bell to get all of our daily updates. We try to post something on the community tab at least 3 times a day. Now, let's look at a few examples of lice before we give some tips for lice removal. So have you or a loved one had lice? Tell us about it with a comment below. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Or even send us a video at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you and share your story.
So a common misconception of lice is that if you get it, somehow you're dirty, but the truth is it really can happen to anybody. Today I spoke with Spectrum Health and a mother whose family fought the parasites firsthand.
I had to comb through her hair every day to get every little last nit out.
Now, head lice are tiny reddish-brown insects that love to find your child's scalp, bite into this
Comb like this works wonders for picking them out. Wash your clothes and bedding and then dry them on high heat. Lice can only live for a couple days without their human hosts, so it really boils down to finding the right combination of products, getting the situation under control, and just waiting it out. Adam and I started this channel years ago, hoping we would help to inform the public about medical conditions like this. One of our goals is to destigmatize conditions like having head lice. It can happen to anybody, and problems like lice infestations are easily treatable. So if you have lice, don't give up. Keep battling and you will inevitably win the war. So good luck. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.